Okay, good evening, everyone. Happy Mother's Day. Hello, hi, everyone. My computer just crashed. Okay, so I'm trying to turn on all my windows again. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, just before I want to start this, my computer crashed. My computer, hang on. Let me see. Okay, let's get started. Okay, today this live is open to the public. Okay, anyway, this whole thing is open to the public. So those people in Facebook Live, please like and share the post. Okay, for those that are in the Zoom room, also cannot like, also can like and share if you want to like and share this post. Okay, so let me just share this. Okay, apologize slightly late because just before I want to start, the whole thing crashed. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so first thing first, whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me just share this screen right now. Okay, share screen, right? Okay, get Eve computer. Okay, so yeah, whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. In fact, the reason why I do this is because very long never do Facebook Live on Saturday. Okay, so I thought let's do a Facebook Live. No agenda. Okay, the agenda is I miss you all. Okay, that's the agenda. Okay. Yes. Okay. So by now I think you all know I don't really prepare so much. Okay. Of course, I've been reading a lot. Okay, about the crypto market, about commodities, about clean energy, but I don't really prepare slides and things like that. So it will be interactive. Okay, if not, the whole webinar will be very short. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to ask. I share with you all my view. Doesn't make it the right or wrong view, just make it my view. Okay, so of course I have some handles that I want to talk about. To get along, okay, go along. But if you feel free to ask if you have any question. Feel free to ask. Okay, so first thing first, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day. Do you all celebrate Mother's Day? Okay. Okay. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Okay, everybody. I hope you all celebrate. Okay. Frankly, I don't really celebrate, but it's okay. Let me just share this also with the. Okay. Yes. Okay, like that. Good. Okay, so let's get started. So right now, today I want to talk about a few things: commodity, crypto, and clean energy. In fact, beginning of the year, I spoke about some of these themes. Okay, I think previously Royston also spoke about some of the themes. I have a very interesting talk yesterday with someone who is in the energy space. I mean, he runs a power plant. He produces plastics and things like that. So a very different view on EV and also on clean energy. Okay, of course he is not in the clean energy camp. He's not in the more of the traditional energy camp. Okay, but it's not so easy. Okay, for clean energy. Okay, so oh yeah, the time we talk about carbon. So we also spoke about carbon credit. Okay, trading also. I think one of the challenge of carbon credit trading right now, according to him, is standards. Okay, there is different standards. Different country has different standards. So that is the challenge, girl. That's the challenge. Okay, we also talk about tokenizing carbon credits, which is a possibility. but again, is standards. Okay, so for now, like $1 that is on carbon credits, 30 cents, right, is used for auditing, okay, which is quite a lot of money. Okay, so that is something that we also spoke about. But today, that's not the topic. Okay, so today's topic is more slightly different. Okay, first thing, talk about commodities. Okay, talk about commodities. By now, you all should know that I'm bullish commodity. Type yes if you know. Okay, you should know, right? Okay, I'm bullish about commodities. I've been talking about commodities for quite a while. Okay, commodities has been on the run. Okay, on the move. Okay, I personally don't think that we are at the end of the commodity cycle. At most, we are mid of the commodity cycle. Okay, I can give you one context. Context very simple. It's just look at oil. Okay, look at oil prices. Where is my oil prices? Hang on, let me mute. Please mute your Zoom also. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so yeah, so one of the things we can talk about is oil prices. Okay, oil, USO oil like mid recovery. Okay, not really at all-time high, more like mid recovery right now. So this is something that you can look at. Okay, so this oil prices. Okay, oil prices is over here. So since the crisis last year, we had the, how many remember last year, somewhere in April, we had the so-called futures price, we had the zero in oil. Like me, if you were around, went negative, right? The futures price went negative. They say it costs more money to store oil than to buy oil. Okay, it means that going forward, they don't want to store oil because when you store oil, it is more expensive than to just hold on to the oil itself. Okay, very quickly. Okay, recover from zero and then recover very, very quickly. Okay, frankly, ask me, it's all manipulation. Okay, it's all manipulation, and it was a very it was minus. Yeah, our futures market was minus. Okay, so it was manipulation, and basically very quickly it recovered. Okay, from there. Okay, so that was COVID. Okay, COVID started from $64 somewhere when COVID to get started, just started, and then very quickly $60 pump go to zero. And then eventually it recovered back. Right now it's back to pre-COVID season already. Yeah, so a lot of people got burned. A lot of people are trading. Okay, so you have to understand that the spot, right? The spot market compared to the futures or the derivative market. Spot market is just a small part. Okay, derivative is a much bigger part of spot prices, just like silver. Okay, silver, the spot silver, it is a small part. Okay, but what is bigger is the derivative market. It's much bigger than the spot price. The spot, what is the physical or the spot prices is. Okay, so what causes all this move is over leveraging, all the other things. Okay, so you can see from here back to oil prices. I just did this chart just a few days ago. Okay, just did this chart a few days ago, and this is the downtrend line. Okay, this is the downtrend line, and we have just cleared. Okay, we have just cleared the downtrend line. Yes or no? Okay, from 08. Okay, 08. That this was the just before global financial crisis. Okay, and then after that we go into March 09, which is this is October, November 08, and then March 09 is somewhere here. And then after that, recover halfway through, and then pre-COVID is never up back to the high again. Okay, but you can see commodity prices has been creeping up. Yes or no? If you look at the monthly chart, it's also creeping up. That yes, if you can see that. we can see the downtrend channel. We can now see a downtrend channel, and we has been creeping up. Okay, so some of the other commodities like copper has been already clearing 8 years high, 10 years high, and things like that. Okay, see what is this screen over? I think it's this one. Okay. So the commodity cycle, like this is actually beginning of the year. Beginning of the year, oil prices 6 months high, 6 months high. This was beginning of the year, so now it's higher. LNG is 6.5 year high. Rice is 8 year high. Iron is 9 year high, and copper is 8 year high. All this has broken higher already. Or in general, copper, all this has ran up slightly higher. Okay, so that is the theme. Okay, the theme. Okay, the theme is more of recovery. Okay, after the COVID. Okay, there's a great printing of money, and then this great printing of money caused all this commodity to rise. Okay, but at the same time, also I read, right, it is not necessary. Okay, not necessary that the it's not wrong one. It's not necessary that the when commodity prices go up that inflation will happen. Okay, it is not necessary. It's like that. I put out a post just now. One of the reasons is because commodity or the raw material, right, is a very small part, maybe 10 or 15% of the manufacturing. Okay, of manufacturing. In fact, if you look at long-term trend, right, the correlation between basic materials or steel compared to car manufacturing, there is no correlation right now. In fact there is a negative. There's not a correlation. Okay, between commodity price and the actual car prices. Okay, so reason being is I think nowadays the cost, right, of manufacturing a car is not because of the cost of steel. Do you follow what I'm saying? There's much more other things, marketing that is going to be more than just the cost of steel. Okay, so that is that's it. Okay, type yes if it's okay. Public is a bit blur, is it? Let me see how to make it not blur. Okay, like that now, maybe that's the best I can do. Okay. Okay, so back to oil prices. Okay, oil prices, I think we don't need this. Okay, oil prices, I think we are in mid recovery. Okay, in mid recovery, and right now we have broken up of this downtrend. Okay, this downtrend started since pre-COVID. How to buy US oil? One of the ETF that is there is ETF itself. Okay, the ETF itself is called USO. Okay, however, USO have tracking error also, but it's a US oil fund. Okay, US oil fund is one of them. I think it's the biggest fund. Okay, it's the biggest fund. Okay, so you go to daily charts. However, this one got a bit of tracking error, just to let you all know. Okay, yeah, got tracking error. So why is it like that? Is ETF . Okay, they have tracking error. Okay, so if you see long term, the US oil has recovered, but this has not. Okay, other thing is XOP. Okay, XOP is that is more of the oil exploration and gas production ETF. So it's a bit different. One of them is like the underlying. Okay, one of them is the underlying. This is oil itself. The other one is more of the ETF or the oil for oil and gas production. Okay, so this is more of stocks. Okay, of the stocks itself. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, same thing for silver. Silver, if you buy PSLV you own the silver itself. Okay, if you buy AG, then what you're owning is actually the company itself. Okay, that is producing silver. Okay, for AG, I think 70% is 70% of production is from silver and gold. Okay, so they are not very big cap. They're not very big cap, but silver and gold, AG is the one that is most sensitive lah. Okay, to the price of silver. Okay, so SILJ is another one. That one is a junior minus, okay, for silver. By the way, AG, right? Charts looking good, okay. Charts looking good. Let's go weekly charts. Oh, okay, weekly charts. Okay, you all see, this is weekly charts. This is GMMA. Okay, so we can have this go up, come down, bounce. Okay, it went up. This one was the Reddit. Reddit. They went up and then come back down. This is up. This is the uptrend. Yes or no? This is uptrend, long-term uptrend. And then right now, that if you can zoom out and see, this is a bullish pattern. Okay, we have a bearish pattern and a bullish pattern. Okay, so this is actually bullish. Okay, you use CCI, MA CCI. It may not be so clear. Okay, but you can see the context. Type yes if you can see the context. So we have the uptrend and then coming down into the MA CCI low, bouncing off. Type yes if you can see. Type no if you cannot see. So that will be. Cannot see my full screen. Okay, I think I don't want this one. Don't want this one, then open this one bigger. Okay, better. Or I can just do this. Okay, but then your oh, no recording this only recording Do you see the recording? No recording because record later people need to people literally to upload, then they will scold me. Okay, my team will scold me. Collin, why you Sunday work? They ask me Sunday don't do webinar already. Okay, so Facebook no recording just chit chat only, right? Okay, disclaimer already say right guys. There is lose money, don't blame me. Okay, say again. Okay, type yes if you are good. Okay. Okay, I just record just in case. Okay. Earn money, don't blame me also. Don't tell me also. Lose money. Earn money, don't tell me. Lose money also, don't tell me. Okay. Okay, so yeah, back to silver again, back to AG again. Can y'all see? Okay, we have this move up, price coming down, CCI low. Okay, CCI low. Actually, last week was bullish. Okay, you can see earnings, right? Earnings was down. Okay, estimate was 0.7. They came up 0.6. Okay, but price went up. Price went up. Okay, so you can see this was the earnings. Negative, okay, but price went up. So generally, right, guys, if bad news, that means earning miss, right? Price go up means what? Good news, okay? Yes or no? Okay, if bad news, price don't go down, price go up means good news, So that is for but AG is a long term. AG is not short term. Okay, uptrend. Okay, price went from overbought, oversold, candle turns from bearish to bullish, uptrend. Okay, type yes if you understand. It's not flag pattern. This is not a flag pattern. It's more like just a uptrend and then consolidating into uptrend. Okay, not so much of a flag pattern. Okay, Commodity is actually, if you talk about the correlation, silver and AG, right? AG is more volatile. Okay, AG is the stock name, First Majestic Silver. Okay, I talk about silver prices itself is less volatile compared to AG stock itself. AG itself is more volatile. So this is using what? Swing weekly, okay. But silver, the context, right? Okay, let's go back because quite a lot of new people. Silver context is like that. We can see that things like gold. Okay, gold is near. By the way, gold also turning bullish. Okay, gold also turning bullish. Okay, you can see from here. This is a weekly chart. Weekly chart. This is the high 2000, around 2000. If you zoom out, you can see previously the high was in 11. Okay, we have broken the high. Okay, broken the high, and right now we are quite near to the high. Yes or no? High is 2009 or 2008. Yes or no? But last week you can see the price action is pretty strong. Okay, pretty strong. But my view, maybe wrong view, silver may outperform gold. Okay, my view, silver may start to outperform gold. Silver and gold correlation has been gold has been winning. Okay, silver has been losing. Okay, because you see, right, gold has went to all-time high already. Went to all-time high already. It has broken the 17 high and is near to broken the all-time high now, close to the previous high in 17. Okay, 17. Whereas you see silver, 可怜的 silver, where's my silver? Silver, this is 1. Do you see? Nowhere near all-time high. Yes or no? Nowhere near all-time high. All-time high is here. Okay. Right now, we are still halfway to the high. That means to say for the last 1 until 10 years, no inflation. Cannot be, right, guys? Cannot be. Last 10 years, no inflation. That years, if you understand, okay? Cannot be 10 years no inflation. They keep printing money. Cannot be no inflation. Okay. Second thing, if you just zoom out and see some more, the previous high was 180. 80 is maybe because of Wall Street again. The silver was being cornered. Okay, you all know that silver market was being cornered before. That years, if you all know, in the 80s. Okay, 80s is how many years ago? 50 years ago, so long, It was being cornered. The silver market was being cornered by a pair of brothers. Okay, but that was long time ago. Okay, and yeah, the one history not so. But what I read, right, is actually that is the narrative again. Okay, the Han brothers, right? Okay, that's the narrative again. In actual case, there was a bullish case for silver. My hypothesis is like that. Okay, guys, silver from 50 years ago, very long. Okay, until 10 years ago, and now we are still half price from silver. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, whereas gold, let's take a look at gold. Go here, right? I don't have data, but if you zoom back, go in the previous day. Okay, have. Okay, so in the 1980s, right, gold is here, $85. Okay, $854. That was the 80s high. Then broken new high at 2011, and then right now we are at higher in 2011. Okay, so that is the context. Okay, that's the context. So in terms of the silver gold, previously there was a ratio. I think it was like 50. Okay, there was always a gold silver ratio, but it's like you all know this. I don't know whether I have this one. Silver should have. I have. Okay, so the gold and silver ratio. Okay, gold and silver ratio is way down now. Okay, so gold versus silver traditionally was like much higher lah. But the average I think was like 50. Okay, now it's like 60, 67 lah, or 67. Okay, in my opinion, maybe wrong. Okay, but I think it will go back down. Okay, towards 50 lah. Okay, it will start to catch up lah. Okay, silver may starts to catch up. My view may be wrong. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, there is another hypothesis is commodity has this cycle also. Okay, so commodity itself have a cycle because of prices. Okay, when the prices are good, they max out all the mining. You know, my prices are no good, they close the mining. However, when they are closed already, when demand is good, they may not immediately turn on. So there is lag also sometimes. Okay, so there is this commodity cycle. But bottom line is very simple. Bottom line for me, right, it is I won't go and short gold and long silver. No need to do so exotic one. I just buy silver and hold the thing is, let's go and do some research, whatever I share. Okay, the thing is silver is also manipulated. Okay, because the biggest issuer of silver is what? Is JP Morgan, yes or no? SLV, right? They are the custodian. Okay, go and do some research, right? What they say, right? Just what they say is they take your SLV, right? They take your silver, and then after that, they will actually buy the silver itself. But because the silver is dormant, right? The silver they hold in the vault is dormant, and not all the people who buy SLV will say, okay, please give me back my actual physical silver. Do you follow what I'm saying? People who buy SLV, they won't go and claim the physical silver, right? So with the JP Morgan having custodian of physical silver, they go and lend out the silver, okay, for the Wall Street people, and the Wall Street people use that silver to short the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Type no if you don't understand. Okay. Okay, so that's the reason why don't buy SLV lah. Because you buy SLV, you give them money, they take the money, go and buy silver, and after they buy silver, they hold the silver, they may lend out the silver for people to sell. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so that is like manipulation of silver prices. On the other hand, PSLV, right? PSLV, they actually hold the physical silver in the vault lah. Okay, so but please don't do research, okay, guys. Okay, my strength is not in all this lah. Okay, too cheap lah. My strength is look at chart. Okay, try my luck and hit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I do have some ideas, but I'm wrong. I'm wrong also. I'm quite often wrong also. Okay, so if I'm wrong, then cut lah. Okay, type yes if you're okay. Okay with that. Okay. So right now, by now you all know that I hold two things. I do Ethereum. I've been still holding Ethereum since last year. Okay, the day I stupid, I go and sell some Ethereum. I don't know why. Okay. Sometimes when you make money, you feel like just want to test and sell and take back cash. Go or not? Huh? Type yes if you have this experience. Hey, take profit, sell a bit, even though you know that it's going to go higher. Just okay, let's sell a bit. Okay, take back cash. Okay, then take already. Then do what? Stay in cash. Stupid, right? Okay, you should not stay in cash. Stay in cash is the most not correct lah. Okay, because stay in cash, sure lose money. Okay, sure lose money. Okay, I haven't thought of what to do with this money. It's still my account. Okay, it's still on my account. I still not doing know what to do. I'll go back again. It's like weird. Okay, maybe I take this money, go and buy silver or something like that. Okay, but that's the thing. But the good thing I didn't sell a lot. I just sell like less than 1%. Okay, but just for show lah. Okay. Sell already buy Rolex? No lah. I'm not like that. Okay, I don't need to sell to buy Rolex. Okay. Scared it will crash. No lah. Okay, so guys, trend is your friend. Do you follow what I'm saying? Trend is your friend. Okay. Don't keep fighting the trend. Okay, like we say uptrend means uptrend. Is there possible that uptrend it will have correction? Yes. Okay, uptrend will have correction. Okay, but ride the trend. That's the key. Okay, I will ride the trend until the trend end. When will trend will end? I also don't know. Okay, but if you want to look at the long term trend, you share your idea. Don't even look at the weekly chart. Look at the monthly chart. Okay, then you just wait lah. Just wait lah. Okay, it will correct back. Even if we correct back 3,000 drop to 1,002, still profitable. Yes or no? Still very profitable. Okay, no fear, right? Okay, so not so worried about drop lah. Yes or no? Or just like Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin drop but I still tell you, still a lot of people are very profitable. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so why you can have this kind of buffer is because you ride big trend. Yes or no? Because you ride big trend. If you don't ride big trend, you don't have this buffer. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So if you just go in and out, then you are not able to ride big trend. Okay. So for people who get, I think there is much lower. There is much lower than this one, Dogecoin. Okay. So for them, the price is very, very, very small. Okay, nothing much. Okay, so let's talk about, come back to commodities again. What other things about commodities? Let's don't talk about crypto first. Let's talk about commodities first. Okay, first conclusion, oil price, oil-related stocks. That yes, if you heard what I say, okay, my view, oil-related stocks, okay, oil-related stocks will be interesting, okay, even if we have the clean energy and things like that, it will not be immediate, okay, it will not be immediate, okay. There was yesterday again, I was chatting with someone. It is not so easy, okay. I won't go into detail, but it's not so easy to change from a traditional energy, right? Okay, to green energy. Okay, like Europe, it took many years, like 20 years before they slowly change. Okay, so it's not so fast. Okay, not so fast. That yes, if you understand, but do you follow that? Clean energy is a long-term trend. Yes or no? It's a long-term trend. I mean, eventually, let's say 10, 20 years from now, there will be more clean energy than less clean energy. Does it make sense or not? There'll be more clean energy than less clean energy. But for now, even they want to immediately change, it's not possible. They need to change percentage by percentage. Okay. Okay, so commodity, any more things? SLB is one. That's energy. Okay, energy, daily charts, broken resistance. Okay, can you see here? Broken the resistance. So when a stock, right, when a stock break resistance, it's also good to look at the past to see is there any jam here or not? Okay, is there any jam over here? So over here, not much jam. Okay, the jam cleared already. The previous jam was actually this area here. Okay, this area here, but this area here cleared already. Okay, it went past the jam. Okay, so from here to here, not much jam. Okay, the next jam will be somewhere around this area lah. Okay, got it. So I think this is a good breakout. Okay, this is a good breakout, and heading higher. Okay, if you use Trader GPS SLB, can you see? Who asked SLB? Mary, you bought SLB is because of Trader GPS or what? Okay, anyway, it's up lah. Yes, that's good. Okay, so okay, hang on. Good pick. Okay, good pick. Hang on. Okay, so that's it. Okay, next one is FCX. What is FCX? FCX. Wow, we got 700 people outside. Okay, let's do some advertisement. Let's do some advertisement. Okay. For those people who are outside, we usually do our SMT webinar every Monday. Okay, today we do it on Sunday, but usually we do it every Monday. So for those people who want to find out more about our SMT community, go to this link and you can join us in our SMT community. For the SMT graduates, okay, can you all type in SMT if you recommend SMT to them? Okay, type in SMT. Okay, thank you. Okay. Outside also, okay. If please like and share the post. If you have a thing, please like and share the post. And type in SMT. Monday office worker cannot attend. Very funny. Door. Okay. So that's why Sunday got more people, right? Okay. Okay, type SMT and yeah. So go and join this link. Join me at this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Our next, will profits too. Okay, next preview is when well, nowadays already cannot see. Next preview is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. Next review is on Tuesday. Coming Tuesday, 11 of is it correct? 11 of May. Okay, come and join us. 11 of May. Tomorrow, yes, still have webinar. Okay, tomorrow webinar as usual on Monday. Okay, today is not to replace tomorrow webinar. Hello. Today is not even talk about our portfolio, right? Okay. What preview is it on 11? The normal SMT graduate preview lah. The normal SMT graduate SMT preview lah. For graduates, right? You all know how to refer friends to us. Type yes if you know. Type no if you don't know. I also don't know. Okay. Don't know, right? Okay, go and fill up the link and then sign up the SMT referral. Okay. Okay, referral. Okay, go to this link, go and fill up, and then if your friend can benefit from this community, let them go and join us. Okay, if they join us, you get 6 more months of Trader GPS. Not 3 more months, 6 more months of Trader GPS. Okay. Okay, so clarify, tomorrow there is webinar still, okay, because we still have to go through our portfolio and stuff like that. So tomorrow webinar continue. Okay, so let me put to the side again. Not change to Sunday lah. No, I discussed with my team. My team say don't change to Sunday, because if I change to Sunday, then they have to work on Sunday also. So that's why got to be understanding, right? Okay. So Monday is Monday morning 10:30, right? Chow Yang, you don't know, man? You should know, right? Monday 10:30 normal. Okay. So by 10 a.m. I will post up the link as usual. Okay. Okay. Wow. Monday choose stock is good, right? Okay. Later we have time we choose stock. Okay, so for those public, right, how they choose stocks is based on the arrows. Like just now, Mary, right? Mary, when they chose this stock, when they have an arrow, right? Let's say on this day, on the 5th of May, then there will be a signal. Okay, there will be a signal to show you the buy signal. This SLB is NYSE, right? So you go to NYSE, and then this is based on last trading day. You have the strong stocks. Okay, from here the strong stocks. But if you will go to the 5th of May, which is the day when the arrow appear, then you should be able to see this stock. Okay, that day, SLB here highlighted in green. Okay, and then we have Devon Energy, we have Tick. Wow, this one never choose. Tick Resources. I like those company name. Very very cute one. Okay, like our Tick stock. Okay, is then they will go up more. Okay, free FCX. Okay, FCX is also another stock that arrow on the 5th of May. Okay, so once you have a signal, okay, 5th of May here, then we buy lah. We follow the system. Yes or no? Okay. Type yes if you understand for the public. Okay. Okay. So this is good, guys. Why? Because this stock stuck in this range. Okay, stuck in this range and broke out of this range. This box, right? Okay, broke out this box. Okay, it's important, right, to know whether the stock is sideways trend or uptrend. Okay, sideways trend or uptrend. If it's sideways trend, then don't do that. Especially this one will be nice. Yes or no? Or SMT graduate, you will know, right? This is a breaking out of the box. This will be nice. Just now the other one, this one also breaking out of the box. Nice. Okay. Energy stocks. Energy stocks. Okay. BKR is another one. BKR. But by the way, I have posted on energy stocks before, right? BKR on the graduates group. Type yes if you agree. We have posted up before on the graduates group. Oil related stock, oil stocks, I posted before. Okay. This is how many months ago? 5th of February. 5th of February. I talked about oil already. 5th of February. Last year, November, I also talked about oil already. Oil recovery stocks in play last year. Okay. So I actually spoke about this before. Okay, not today, then talk about oil. Okay. So last year, November, already talked about this already. Okay, so next one is BKR. BKR is here. So BKR, relatively speaking, is not as strong. Okay, not as strong as just now the two. Okay, SLB and FCX. Okay, so you can see this stock, right? Because of this correction, this is the resistance. Okay, got it. But by the way, when y'all do scan, can y'all see the sectors and also the industry? Can y'all see the sector and industry? Oil and gas, energy, basic material, all here. Yes or no? Basic material, oil and gas, all here. Okay, oil and gas, oil and gas, oil and gas. Quite a lot of team. Understand? So it is not like today, then you saw these stocks, yes or no? Okay, AA, right? This stock, we have talked about AA before, yes or no? Some of you all know, some of you all don't know, but we have talked about this before. Okay, I think still one of the Facebook Live before. Okay, we have talked about AA before also. Okay, so basic material, all this team should continue. Okay. How about steel industry stocks like CMC? Commercial metal, this one is it? Okay lah, but all these are smaller cap stocks. Okay, nickel, all these are smaller cap stocks. So there is such thing as leaders. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, in my view, don't try to find hidden gems. Type yes if you understand. Don't go and find hidden gems. Find the head and buy the head. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I share with you all this time. This actually, in fact, yesterday we also discussed this. When you are a fund manager, a famous fund manager, and you buy into a certain fund, the rest will follow. Do you follow what I'm saying? if you are a famous fund manager and you go and buy into a certain fund, the rest will follow. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you just find the leader and bet on the leader. Who are the leader in the industry? Just S&P 500, all the big cap stock, that is the list already lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't go and find one or exotic one and then hopefully stock will choke. Why? Just like think about it. In terms of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you want to buy these two. This is the two things you should look at to buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? All the exotic one, yeah, it's fun, okay? But these two are, if you want to focus on the biggest. That will give you the highest, that will be the most trending. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, next question is, how do we find the leaders? A very good question. So how do we find the leaders? Let's say, example, I want to find the leaders for, let's say, commodities, okay? Commodity, then I go to here, I click on it, I can find out the holdings, okay? The holdings, or this one, no, this one is the index, okay? I can find out the holdings of the ETF. Do you follow what I'm saying? Find the biggest holding of the ETF. Then generally, those will be the one that I want to look at to buy. Does it make sense or not? Oh, those will be the one that I want to focus on to buy. Okay, let's say example, we have block. I go click into block, right? And then under the holdings are correct. Then these are the biggest one. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means these are the one that the ETF buy into lah. Okay. You can also rank by market cap. By rank by market cap, you do not know what sector are they in. You can use what is the website? Finviz. Yes or no? Finviz.com. Okay, Finviz.com. Then under Finviz.com, you can rank by market cap. Then from there you can see lah. Okay, so two ways. Either you use an S&P 500, rank by market cap, and then look for the individual stocks, or you just look at the ETF, the biggest ETF, then what are they buying? The stocks. These are the bigger one. Yes or no? Why? Because they copy one another. They copy one another. So when this one buy, that one will also buy. Okay, so so there's such thing called follow the leader. You don't want to be the champion to become the leader. You want to follow the leader. Type yes if you understand. Last time I was young, I always thought that buy stocks, right, it's like you must go treasure hunting. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's look at the thousands of stock and then find one undiscovered gem. Do you follow what I'm saying? When I was young, find this undiscovered that nobody discovered. Do you follow what I'm saying? Then after I buy the stock already, right? Still nobody discover. Then what happened to the price? Never go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it is not like that, guys. I thought it's like that. I thought it's like, out of the 1,000 of stock, I find one stock. Wow, this one so precious. Nobody know about this stock. This is my secret stock. I buy already at the best price, and then I even tell people about it. Wow, this stock very good. Go and buy this stock. Wow, hidden gem, hidden. Buy, follow me, buy. And then what happened? Oh no, 1 year later still hidden. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so don't need to do that. Okay, find what is open, then buy what is open. Okay, stupid. I was young. Okay, not stupid. Must learn from mistake, right? You learn from mistake, then no need to learn from my mistake. Don't need to make the same mistake again. Yes or no? Okay, so why is it like that? Is because if you're a company and you attract funds and big funds go into you, other people will follow. Or who is the leader that's buying this fund? They will follow the leader. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so simple lah. Okay, crypto biggest is who? Bitcoin, Ethereum, buy them one. Okay, oil is who? Buy the biggest one. Exactly right. Okay, simple. Okay, so let's talk about. Okay, I think we we don't need to like focus on commodity, crypto, and then clean energy. Okay, just mix, okay? Because it's almost an hour already. Okay, so crypto, any things want to discuss? Oh yeah, by the way, we are meeting Chris and Chi soon. Okay, do you know what happened when we meet, right? Okay, we're gonna have a meeting soon. Okay. Anyway, it's joke lah. But every time we meet, the market chong. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, ETH. Let's talk about ETH. Ethereum. Okay, guys, don't so FOMO lah. Like that, drop. I hope it drop more. Okay, drop to 2008 better. Okay. Okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? I hope it drop more. When not that drop so little. Yeah, I took at what 3,002 or something like that. Okay. This kind of drop, where got drop? Alamak. We drop more lah. Drop at least back to MA here. At least better for me. Drops go up so much. Okay. Okay, drop then opportunity to buy lah. Now don't have lah. Okay. Okay, Delta, that one, right? Hang on first, okay? That one is DeFi. Okay, DeFi, we another day talk about DeFi lah, okay? Because DeFi one is very complicated. Okay, yeah, so if it's still up, okay, the trend is still up. Broken the resistance, I think I mentioned before when it happened here, okay? Right now, it is going parabolic. Okay, so, what? I don't know how to try. Okay. And my Chinese cannot. 易线啊，易线惊醒梦中人啊。Oh, okay. 易言 易言. Well, now my English, my Chinese damn limited, man. 易言惊醒梦中人. Don't find jam, okay? But is it logical or not? Logical, right, guys? So sometimes you think, how come my hidden gem nobody see one? Even though you tell a lot of people, hidden very good one, undervalue, no, but then never move one. Okay. So yeah. So if it's still going up, frankly, you ask me, it's a bit too much lah. It's a bit too much. It's like that's why the day I also took profit. I said, oh, it's like never rest one. Okay. I want it to go down to here. Better. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I want it to go down to here. Right now, still high. I think a bit hard to buy here. Okay. Oh yeah, something exciting to share. Cannot share yet. Okay. That one is DeFi. DeFi one take some time. Okay. That yes, if you understand. Jay Tung recommend people find hidden gem. By the way, whatever I share with you all is just my view. Do you follow what I'm saying? In fact, it may be wrong also. That yes, if you understand, okay? It may be totally wrong, okay? Whatever I share is totally wrong, okay? So please go and do research, okay? BTC, yes. Okay, so BTC, right? It is getting interesting, okay? So you can see, right? BTC, this is the up move. So right now is what? Is consolidating here, which is good. Do you follow what I'm saying? Which is good. Okay, I like this better. Okay, why? Because don't be so kanchong now. Okay, go up here, consolidate here. This is what pattern? What kind of pattern is this? I don't know, somebody said already, right? This is like a flag pattern, yes or no? A long flagpole, and then this is a consolidation. This is good. This is good. And want to go up, okay? So let's see soon. Okay, this is a very bullish flag, okay? Rest a bit longer will be better. Or DeFi is not DeFi. Okay, DeFi, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, right? What is DeFi?
What is DeFi?
Okay, I will share this link with you all. Go and research, okay, guys. And this 99 Bitcoin is quite good also. So you can go and watch 99 Bitcoin also. Okay, I put up this. And then I put up this also. DeFi is something that only like very active since last year, July. Do you follow what I'm saying? Bitcoin has been around since 11 years already. 11 years, oh. DeFi only like last year, July onwards, they start to be active. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so think about it. Let's do parallel again. Remember years ago, like last year when I talked about Ethereum, I thought about Ethereum versus what? Anybody remember? The parallel. No, not silver, okay? Versus streaming music, remember not? Or Bitcoin or .com bubble. Anybody was here during that when I talk about streaming music, .com bubble versus cryptocurrency? Type yes if you all remember, okay? Now, DeFi, you can do the similar, okay? Similar one. Okay, when a bubble first start, when the bubble happen, let's say talk about .com, what are the characteristics when it's a bubble? 20 years ago, when .com start, what is the characteristic? Number one, not regulated. Yes or no? Because, or hype lah, yes or no? It's hype lah, okay? During .com, you can put something.com and then you can list your company. Do you follow that? In NASDAQ, you can list the company. Okay, so there is a lot of hype. Okay, so right now in DeFi, there's also a lot of hype. A lot of hype. People with can just copy code and just list and collect $100 million dollars or millions of dollars just copying other people's code. Okay, and then listing it on Uniswap. Okay, so that is first thing. Then second thing, what is the second thing in .com? .com, there's a lot of scams. Okay, because some of them is no value one. Okay, so DeFi right now, there are a lot of different in the DeFi world. There are good projects, but there are also a lot of copy projects or lousy projects. Okay, that's the second characteristic. Third characteristic is eventually it will go quiet. That means everybody will say, oh, there's a lot of scam out there, they will go quiet. But then from there, .com will come out, stocks like Amazon, all this Facebook, all this company will come out. So those DeFi projects that really have value eventually will withstand the first winter, and then eventually become much stronger than the start. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so these are just some of the parallel, okay, between Amazon or any of these companies. So when it first started, right, this one I actually mentioned during the last long time ago, the webinar, right? Okay, about how Amazon and things like that. Okay, so this is .com. Okay, the .com, right? So .com, 2000, and then after that, from here, Amazon dropped. From here, dropped 93%. Okay, dropped 93%. And then eventually it'll find its foot, broke the new high, okay, broke the new high of the .com high, and then $100, $107, and then from there it is because what's the difference between this project and other lousy project is this project got value lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so from here it ran up like 32 times. Got it? Or 30 times. Oh, so this parallel, Bitcoin, Ethereum already broke the high. Yes or no? In January, I talked about this before. Yes or no? Type yes if you still remember when we broke this high that time. Or Terence, we also talked about this, right? Okay, so we talked about this before. Oh, so now, right now, it's a recurring thing again. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's a recurring thing again. The number of years has shortened already. Okay, so what is the catalyst? What is the catalyst, right? Or 24th of January. What is the catalyst that causes this to move up? Is actually speed of internet. And one more thing, guess what's the next thing that actually costs? No, not money printing. What's the thing that actually costs? One more thing is regulation start to happen. Okay, regulation. But what's one more thing? That is when you, after 10 years broke out high, it is what? You don't know. Not having. Mobile phone. Do you follow what I'm saying? The speed of internet and mobile phone. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, that's caused the thing to go up. Okay, so that was the catalyst during .com. Why it become very Amazon start to happen, and because speed of the internet and our mobile phone. Okay, so that was the catalyst. So I think for Bitcoin, there will be catalyst or cryptocurrency. There will be use case, and then there will be catalyst along the way. Do you follow? There are already a lot of talks. Yes or no? You can buy and sell. You can use credit card to buy things on buy and sell, settle payment using cryptocurrency. That yes, if you heard what I said, okay, or you heard before, okay, you can eventually you can go to Starbucks, right? And payment is still ask you, you want to pay in Sing dollars or you want to play in USDT, something like that. Okay, or you want to pay in Sing dollars, or you want to pay in Ethereum, okay, something like that. Okay, so that is the eventually lah. Okay, one of the catalysts is payment. Okay, one of the catalysts. Buy Tesla car, guys. This one is a gimmick lah. Or when Elon Musk say you can buy Bitcoin using you can buy Tesla car using Bitcoin. It's a gimmick. Imagine when everybody buy the Bitcoin cannot even settle the transaction. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, because Bitcoin transaction is not so fast. Bitcoin transaction is how long to settle one payment? It's not so fast. It's not like our Visa. Not few seconds in counting. It's not so fast. Okay, so imagine people go and buy. Everybody go and buy 4 to 7 minutes. No lah, I think it's longer. Okay, so if it's everybody go and buy then cannot. Do you follow what I'm saying? The Bitcoin transfer is much longer than that. Okay, so that one's still a gimmick. Okay, using Bitcoin to buy Tesla car is still a gimmick, but eventually the speed will improve. Eventually the safety will improve. Eventually regulation will improve. Eventually there will be mass adoption, and eventually it will go higher. Do you follow what I'm saying? And one more thing is a lot of the cryptocurrency may also be gone. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because those hot stocks that's in the .com, we don't find them now already. Yes, if you understand. Some of the hottest stock, what are the hottest stock last time? I don't forgot. Okay, but some of the hottest stock during the .com are no longer around. So same thing, right? They will you need to ask yourself, is there a valid use? Is there a valid use? Okay, Netscape example. Okay, a lot lah. Okay, you go back. There's a lot of companies like Yahoo. Okay, there are a lot. Yahoo was hotter. Yes or no? Yahoo was a hotter stock than Google then. Napster. Okay, so that during then Yahoo was happening stock. Okay, so it is like internet.com, cryptocurrency, and then DeFi. So DeFi is like still very, very early. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, by the time that crypto get mass adoption, then maybe later part DeFi will follow. There is only 1.8 million Ethereum addresses that have connection with DeFi. So if you go and do percentage, it's only 0.03% of the people that actually do transaction on DeFi. And I'm saying that assuming that everyone has only one address, but most people have more than one address, yes or no? So DeFi is really cutting edge. Lots of scam, lots of opportunity, but some may be totally gone. You know, cryptocurrency is right in the middle. Internet. Do you follow what I'm saying? But if you draw the parallel, if you understand the principle, right, then you can really find the gems. The gems is the principle is regulation will come, which is a good thing. The leaders will win. I'm back to the same thing. Buy the leaders, the leaders will win. Okay, look at who is the leaders. The third one, look for value. That means something must have value. Okay. Another thing is when it first start, usually all this is the idea is good, decentralized. The idea is good, decentralized and things like that. Because when internet kids come out, you got peer-to-peer music sharing. Yes or no? I got music I can share with you. Then we don't need to buy any more music. Okay, decentralized. But eventually, what will happen? Which I think cryptocurrency is the same thing. Eventually, what will happen? Centralized. Okay, peer-to-peer music sharing become Apple Music, Spotify. Shopping, Amazon. Yes or no? That is the thing that will happen. So Amazon, blah. That's the few things. You don't go to any other small website and buy, not so much. Do you follow what I'm saying? So look at the leaders, look at the regulation, look at people who add value. There will be lot will be gone, and then what else? That's all. Okay. So if you understand the principle, then you find the gem. And then another thing is play win-win. Okay, play win-win. That means these people must have a long-term view, play win-win to do long-term. So from there you identify projects. Okay, so anyway, talk so long already. Okay, let's chit-chat a bit. Okay, so who is the leader in DeFi? There is a okay, guys. Again, DeFi is very risky. Okay, DeFi is like you should not put so much in DeFi. Okay, these are the leaders. Okay, go to DeFi Pulse. This is the leaders. Got it? Okay, but you really another thing is information is very scattered. Yes or no? Information is very scattered. Okay, so that's another challenge. Okay, so when the internet first started, is also the same thing. Okay, because you got everybody come up with new ideas about the .com era, got new ideas how to use the .com. You know, even many years ago, they were Internet of Things already have many years ago. Okay, but now they're really talking about Internet of Things. You really using internet. Actually, nowadays a lot of Internet of Things. Yes or no? IoT, right? A lot You have a weighing machine. You have all these other things that have IoT. But 20 years ago, we all talked about this already. Okay, so so coming back again, these are the leaders. These are the leaders in the industry. Okay, but doesn't mean the leader will always remain as the leader still. Okay, so so what are the purpose of the project? This project, some of them are exchange, some of them are exchange, some of them are doing other projects. Okay, so I always have this saying, the best way to predict the future is to what? Invent the future. Yes or no? The best way to predict the future is to invent the future. So what are the things that we can control? We control. Okay, so any other things? Okay, DeFi is very hard to teach. Even Chris doesn't teach. Okay, so I think I don't want to teach. Okay, so this is not the thing. Any other question? Okay, let's go back to our charts. If you have any question on the charts, then we can still answer some of your question. Okay, ICLN, clean energy. Clean energy is something that is long term. Okay, guys, it's not something that is short term. Okay, something that's long term, not something that's short term. So usually, right, I like to use GMMA. Okay, I like to use GMMA, if you use MA, you will see that, oh, this price has break below. Yes or no? You see, price has break below, but if you use GMMA, then it's okay lah. Oh, GMMA is here. Okay, got it. Okay, but your time horizon need to be longer lah. Oh, need to be longer. So means you cannot just say next 6 months will go up. Not. Don't know lah. Okay. Any other question? But if you look at the longer term context, right? This is the longer term context of clean energy. Okay, see? This is the block. This is a congestion area. Oh, this is a congestion area, and then broke out of the congestion area, and then came back down into the congestion area. Got it? Type yes if you can see. Oh, so this was the hibernation, okay? And it broke out, and then right now. Okay, so next is, okay, so guys, long term, okay, this one cannot ask me like, oh, next month will make money. I also don't know, because my name is not God, okay? How to see GMMA? GMMA is actually a very useful tool, okay? But we will save it for another day, okay? Save it for another day. So should we go in now or wait for rebound? Always good to look for pullback, okay? Always good to look for pullback to buy. By now, you all should know how to see pullback, right? Like number here, this is a pullback, into the GMMA. This is a pullback in the GMMA. Got it? It's quite similar to the 2040 MA. Quite similar, okay? But you see, 2040 MA is only 2 lines. Sometimes it's very hard to see what is the thing. But GMMA, there's a series of lines. So then you can see. Okay? Okay. Yes. So ICLN right now still down. Okay? ICLN currently still down. Okay. How to make, okay. So not test. ICLN, how to know that it will stop dropping? Quiz time. Yes. How do you stop dropping? First, you have to support. Yes or no? All this support area. Type yes if you understand. Okay. Where is the resistance right now? Around here. Yes or no? Around here. So this, like this. Okay. So if it can go up, clear this high around here, then we are good. Type yes if you understand. This area here is like your consolidation area. It's like a consolidation area. So you need to clear this, form a W. This is a multiple W. Clear here, then we're good. Okay, so on the weekly charts, if it clear outside this resistance, this series of candle above $25, then we'll be good. Got it? Type yes if you understand. If not, still no good. Okay, still on the way down. Okay. Okay, so ICLN, right? If you believe in the vision, you want to buy long term, okay lah. Okay. I think the next thing to look at is not ICLN yet. Okay. ICLN is something that's very long term, even longer than silver. Okay. I feel that if after Ethereum, silver will move first before ICLN move. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Silver will move first, commodity will move first before clean energy will move. Okay. Clean energy is like even longer term. Okay. Any other question? If not, then shall we call it a day? Okay, so summary. Okay, apologize. if I'm all over the place, I hope it's of value. So summary number one, find the leaders. Okay, find the leaders. Don't find the hidden gems. That's my view. Okay. Number two, number two is write big trends. Okay, don't try to go against the trend. Okay, let me just tail. What is tail? This one what is this? I also don't know. See, this is what? I also don't know what is this. What is this? Tail. Okay, never mind. Hedging ETF. Okay, sorry, I don't know much about this. Okay, I think let's call it a day. If not, then too long already. Okay, we are almost 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so tokenized is already exempted. Okay, exempted MAS license. Okay, so they can operate in Singapore already. Okay, so they are getting their license. So not an issue because they are under the exempted list. Got it? They're exempted. That means they can operate in Singapore. Okay, they are already KL. They are Malaysia. They are licensed. Singapore. They are exempted. Okay. Okay. If not, then thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate Sunday discussion. Okay. I don't know. Basically, it's all over the place. Okay. I hope you can take whatever you feel is useful and do some research, okay? And don't look at fat. Okay, one more thing, fat versus trend. Okay, another day we discuss fat versus trend. Okay, what is a trend? What is a fat? You know fat not? Fat is also like trend, but how do you define fat? How do you define trend? Okay, in the future, let's discuss FAD, fat, okay? Okay. In the future, how to see whether something is a fad or something is a long-term trend. Okay. And by the way, it's very important. Yes or no? Oh, it's very important that you know which one is this one few more years, few more months will be gone. Do you follow what I'm saying? Versus this thing will last the next 10 years. Yes or no? Oh. So then you need to ask yourself some key questions. Okay, then you see whether it is something that's more likely to be a fad or more likely to be a trend. Okay, like Ethereum last year, right? Why I am like more sure that it's a trend, not a fad. There are certain questions that I ask myself. Okay. Another thing about catalyst. So we need catalyst. ETF is a catalyst. Public adoption is a catalyst. Wall Street is a catalyst. Wall Street is a catalyst. But Wall Street always take whatever is good, then what they do? Leverage it and then make it cui. That's the problem. Okay, that's the problem with Wall Street. Okay, they always like that. Okay, tokenized is already exempted. They already operate in Singapore. They're already exempted from MAS. Okay, they're already exempted for that. So they're getting their license to do that. Okay, so if not, then thank you very much, guys. Oh yeah, let's do one more advertisement before I leave. Okay, because I forgot about public. Okay, comment SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Okay, for the rest, go and join us CollinSeow.com/SWB and become part of our growing and exciting community. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. See you. Bye.